lunch if you like. Oh, thank you, Camilla dear. You're so kind. Tonito, come here. Oh, I'm so glad that they're all happy again. Oh, it's so cute. I gotta get going now. Wait, Mira, don't. She just walked into all of the cacti. She's covered in prickles. Here you go, Mira. Thanks, Primo. Whoa, I can't believe that worked. And it tastes so good too. Thanks, Camillo. I'm sorry about that, Mirabelle. I just lost it and I accidentally made those cacti. It would be better if you could control Liz's gift. Or it would have been better if we never switched gifts in the first place. I miss my shape-shifting abilities. It would be better if we all got our OG gifts back, because we know how to control them the best. I agree. And again, Mirabelle, so sorry about that. It's really no big deal. Anyways, can you look into the future and see when our OG gifts will be back? I don't know about that. Wow. Please, Mira. Okay. There's nothing to be afraid of, Mirabelle. You can do it. You sure about this, Tio Bruno? Sure. And off she goes to tell the future. What will it say? Time to look at the vision. Oh no, she